Everyone wants a better life. Everyone wants to be happy. Everyone wants things to change. But most people sit and wait. They wait for the right time. They wait for the right chance. They wait for someone to help them. They wait and wait and wait. And while they are waiting, life keeps moving. Without them. But what if I told you something simple? What if the life you want is not waiting for a big moment? What if it is already growing, quietly, slowly, in the small things you do every single day? My name is Ria. And today I want to share a story that changed the way I see effort, patience, and hope. Meet Amal. Amal was a young boy who grew up watching his father farm a small piece of land. The land was dry. The soil was hard. Every year other farmers had big harvests. Big crops. Big success. But Amal's family always struggled. One day, Amal asked his father, "Papa, why do other farms grow so well? Why is our land so dry?" His father did not answer immediately. He bent down. He picked up a handful of soil. He placed it in Amal's hand. "Feel this," he said. Amal felt it. Dry. Hard. Rough. "Now come with me," his father said. They walked to one corner of the farm. A very small corner. And there, in that one small corner, the soil was different. Dark. Soft. Moist. Amal looked up. "How?" His father smiled. "Every morning," he said, "before you wake up, I bring one small cup of water to this corner. Just one cup. Every single day. For 2 years." Amal looked at the corner. Then at his father. "1 cup," he said. "That is so small." "Yes," his father said. 1 cup is nothing. 2 cups is nothing. 100 cups is nothing. But 730 cups, 2 years of 1 cup every single morning, that is something. That is this. He pointed at the dark, soft, living soil. "This corner is ready now," he said. "This corner will grow anything we plant here." Amal stood quietly. His father put a hand on his shoulder. "Amal," he said. "People always look at the harvest. They never watch the watering. They see the big crop and they think, that farmer was lucky. That farmer had better land. That farmer had something I do not have." He shook his head. But the truth is simpler. That farmer just watered his corner. Every day. 1 small cup. When it was cold. When he was tired. When the sky was gray and it seemed pointless. He looked at his son. The land does not change in 1 day. But it always changes. If you show up. Every day. With your 1 small cup. Those words stayed with Amal. He decided to try. Not to fix everything at once. just to find his one small cup. He started waking up 30 minutes earlier every day. Just 30 minutes. He used that time to study the things he wanted to learn. Slowly. Quietly. Without telling anyone. In the beginning nothing seemed different. His friends did not notice. His teachers did not notice. Even Amal felt like nothing was happening. He felt like a person pouring water into dry ground and seeing nothing grow. But he kept going. One small cup. Every morning. 30 days passed. Then 60. Then 90. And slowly, so slowly that he almost missed it, things began to change. He understood things faster in class. He spoke with more confidence. He stopped feeling so small when he looked at other people. The ground was changing. The soil was softening. And when the school announced a competition, a big one, the kind Amal would never have entered before, he entered. He prepared quietly. One small cup every morning. The day of the competition came. Amal stood up. He spoke clearly. Calmly. With everything he had been building for 90 days. He won. His teacher came to him after. Amal, she said. When did you become this person? Amal smiled. I did not become this person, he said. I watered this person. Every day. One small cup at a time. This is the truth that most people never see. You do not need a miracle. You do not need a perfect plan. You do not need to change everything in one day. You just need one small cup. Every day. That is it. One page of reading. One glass of water. One kind word to yourself. One small step forward. It feels like nothing. But nothing, repeated every day, becomes everything. The ground does not change in one morning. But it always changes. If you show up. I want to be honest with you. I used to be someone who waited for the big moment. I thought, when I have more time, I will start. When things are better, I will begin. When I feel ready, I will go. But the big moment never came. Because big moments do not come to people who are waiting. They come to people who are already moving. So I stopped waiting. I found my one small cup. And I started pouring. Every day. Some days I did not feel like it. Some days it seemed pointless. But I kept going. And slowly, just like Amal's father's corner of land, things started to change. That is why I am here today. Sharing this with you. Because it worked for me. And I believe it will work for you too. So today, just today, I want you to ask yourself one question. What is my one small cup? Not 10 cups. Not a bucket. Just one. One small thing you can do today. And tomorrow. And the day after. Because greatness is not built in one big moment. Greatness is built in 1,000 small mornings. One cup at a time. One day at a time. And when you look back 1 year from now, you will not believe how much your ground has changed. If this story gave you something to think about, subscribe to this channel. Every week, a new story. A new lesson. A new reason to keep going. See you in the next one.